Good morning students, welcome to Konur online classes. Previous classes we can define the circular permutation. Here permutation means it is an arrangement of things and a combination means it is a selection of things. Here circular permutation is a part of permutation. Here circular permutation means arrangement of numbers, things, as well as name of the persons. Number of persons arranged in a closed path or circular path. Circular permutation means it's an arrangement of numbers or elements or number of persons be arranged in a closed path. That is called circular permutation. Circular permutation is represented by the formula n minus 1 factorial. Already previous classes we can discussing some important problems. N minus 1 factorial is a circular permutation. In this case we can define clockwise as well as anti-clockwise be recognized. Suppose clockwise and anti-clockwise combination is not properly recognized by the problem, that's we can define circular permutation is equal to n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. N minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Here in a circular permutation means it is a closed arrangement. Here circular arrangement is called circular permutation, and here clockwise and anti-clockwise easily recognized by the problem. That is a circular permutation is represented by the formula n minus 1 factorial. Here if clockwise as well as anti-clockwise is not easy to recognize, here formula is reduced to n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. On the basis of that fact, we can take another problem. In how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be arranged in a circle? If no two girls are together. If no two girls are together. Here in how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls are arranged? Consider solution for this one. Consider it's a closed path in a circular path. Consider one circle. Here how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be arranged in a circle? Here circle means it is a closed path belonging to circular permutation. Here this is considered one circle, naming as 5 boys, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Here 5 boys are arranged in a one way of representing a circular path. Here 5 boys and 5 girls be arranged in a circle if condition is if no two girls are together. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬಾರದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ arrangement is possible Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 and Z5. Z5 arrangement is possible. Here this is a one type of arrangement. In how many ways this type of arrangement is arranged when 5 boys and 5 girls arranged in a circular path? If no two girls and 2 boys, if no two girls are together. Here first maybe boys arrangement is represented by circular permutation. Here first boys arrangement B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. There are 5 boys are there. That's fine. 5 minus 1 factorial. 5 minus 1 factorial. Here in B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, out of 5 boys we can arrange 5 girls, that is totally 5 factorial way. That is 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Here that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here multiplying we get our result. Here in how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be arranged in a circle? If no 2 girls are together, here consider B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5 are 5 boys arranged in a closed circular form. Out of these 5 boys we can arrange G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. Here 5 boys arrangement is n 5 minus 1 factorial. In those 5 arrangement, here 2 girls are not contacting each other. That's 5 factorial way can be arranged. Here 4 factorial into 5 factorial multiplying we get our result. Here this is the for completing this problem we can close the circular permutation concept. Here permutation means it's an arrangement of things is called permutation. We goes to next concept is combination. Here very important concept for combination. First we can completely know the things about permutation as well as circular permutation. We goes to combination. Here combination means it's a selection of things. Here very important and very essential formula belongs to the combination means NCR. Here NCR, N value must and should be greater than or equal to R value. NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. NPR divided by R factorial. Already we know that the formula NPR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. Here called equation number 1, equation 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get NCR is equal to NPR divided by NPR formula is N factorial divided by N minus R factorial divided by R factorial, that is NCR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Here this is the formula belonging to permutation. The combination. Combination means it's a selection of things. Combination is represented by NCR. NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. Here NPR, we know that the formula NPR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. From 1 and 2 we get NCR is equal to N factorial. Substituting NPR values in our equation 1, we get N factorial divided by N minus R factorial divided by R factorial. Simplifying we get NCR. It's a combination things. NCR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Here it is a very important formula belonging to the combination things. Combination things means it is a selection of things belonging to given values. Here we know that the formula for combination things, here NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. R factorial. Here arrange these things. R factorial is equal to NPR divided by NCR. R factorial is equal to NPR divided by NCR. Here given thing, here R factorial is equal to NPR divided by NCR. NCR. Here to find the NPR values is given, NCR value is given, then find the R value. Then find R value. Here we know that the formula R factorial is equal to NPR divided by NCR. Here substitute the value. R factorial is equal to 3224 divided by 126 is our NCR value. Here R factorial is equal to 24. Here 24. 24 can be arranged. R factorial is equal to 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here 12 and 24. Here R factorial is equal to 4 factorial as well as R is equal to 4. R value is 4. Here NPR is equal to 3024, NCR is equal to 126. Find the value of R. Here we know that the formula NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. R factorial be shifted as in this side. Here NPR divided by NCR. Substitute particular each values, we get R is equal to 4. Similarly, we know that the another formula NCR is equal to NCK. NCK. Here in this case NCR is equal to NCK. These two values are satisfied if N is equal to R plus K. R plus K. Here on the basis of this concept we choose one example. NC4 is equal to NC5. Here compare with NCR. In place of R 4 is given and in place of K 5 is given. Then find the value of N. Automatically N is equal to R plus K. Here N is equal to 4 plus 5. Our N value is 9. 9 is our answer. Here these two very important formula for 1 marks questions or 2 marks questions. Here NCR is equal to NPR divided by R factorial. NPR and NCR values are given. Substituting we get R value. Here NCR is equal to NCK. One important formula. Here if N value is equal to R plus K. Here compare these two values. R and K value is 4 and 5. Substituting N is equal to